Hi guys, it's DK388. In today's video we're going to do some DIY maintenance in this bathroom, shower over bathtub. Got a bit of mould growth in just a couple of places, some spot areas, some minor bits. I'm going to use this HG mould remover foam spray. Got this one in Amazon for about £6 for 500 millilitres. Seems to have got some good reviews on there, so I'll give this a go. You can pause the video and read it if you want. And I believe there's a gel version as well, but this one's the foam one. I believe it's a bleach base, but it's also got some additional chemicals to tackle the mould. So we'll give this a go and see how it performs. First, give it a really good shake, and then open a nozzle, and then just start spraying. I would advise opening your windows and putting on some marigold gloves, because this stuff is nasty. It's really strong odour, and the foam chemicals is quite reactive, so get your protection on and make sure your room is well ventilated. This is a shower over bath which we use every day, so just try it up on the foam. Sort of runs down, so you might need to top it up a bit after a few minutes. And on the bottle it says half an hour for it to do its thing, but since this is only little bits of areas, I'll just keep an eye on it. You can see it's foam just needs pushing back into the affected areas. So this is probably about 15-20 minutes. So it's tackled most of the mould. As you can see, the before and afters in the corner, so it might need another treatment. Minor bits have gone in the vertical corners, so we'll give it a rinse and then we'll try again. So this is going to be a second application. I'm going to concentrate on the grout lines as well. As you can see, where we've applied the first application, on the adjacent grout lines, it's sort of picked it up here. You can see it's removed a bit more residue of the pink and the pitting of the grouts. You can see in these areas here you've got a bit of pink residue and a bit of black spotting, but on the left, it's where the foam was, it seems to have removed that. So on this I'm going to concentrate on the grout lines, see if we can bring that back to its original form, which is like a pure white finish. As you can see, it's further away from the water source. You can see that's the original. So speed up version here, we just concentrate on the grout lines where we've got the pink residue and let it react, and then let it do its thing and then rinse off. And then we can see the difference. It seems to bring back the original colour of the grout to life, back to its pure white. And there is still a little bit of spotting in the corner of the mould. I presume that's probably deep into the sealant, so that will probably need removing, cutting out, and then resealing. But here's the finished results. You can see the grout's a lot more white as previous, and this is the second application. You can see some before and afters, so the corner junctions of the spotting you can see has disappeared. So this is the HG mould remover. It seems to does what it says. Thanks for watching.